till 2019-20, any company having profit available for distribution would levy dividend distribution tax at 15%. That was the basic rate, but after crossing up surcharge and cess, it would effectively come to somewhere around 20%. So on the profit available for distribution as dividend, roughly 20% would be paid off as dividend distribution tax, and the remaining amount available would be distributed to the various shareholders as dividends in their hands. This dividend used to be tax exempt up to 10 lakh in a financial year. So if you were a shareholder receiving dividends from various companies up to 10 lakh in a financial year, all of that dividend was exempt in your hands because dividend distribution tax was paid by those companies. Above 10 lakh, if there was any dividend income during the year, that would be taxed at a rate of 10%. However, starting 1st April 2020, which is financial year 2021 and herein forward, in the budget, the Honorable Finance Minister announced that dividend distribution tax was being abolished, which met an uproar of applause from the House of the Parliament, and a lot of people cheered on, saying that it's a good dividend distribution tax being abolished. However, what people failed to notice was that that dividend would now be taxable in the hands of the recipients. So you as a recipient of dividend may actually be in the 30% tax bracket, which means that dividend up to 10 lakh, which used to be exempt till financial year 1920, is taxable in your hands. Also this year onwards, companies have to deduct TDS of up to 10%. It was 7.5% up to 31st March, but that deduction was only on account of COVID and the government wanting to give liquidity in the hands of the people. But the rate of TDS is 10%. So if you're earning a total dividend of less than 5,000, the company would not be deducting that TDS and would be paying you the entire amount. However, if your dividend earned is more than 5,000, 10% of that would be deducted as TDS, and you will get the credit for it at the time of filing your income tax return. This also goes to show that a lot of tax announcements, when made by the government, are met with cheer by people who take it at face value. Now, I don't know if I should say that any of these announcements tantamount to eyewashes or not. You guys are intelligent enough to know that. However, it's important that you consult a tax advisor, you consult your CA, or read the tax amendments in great depth before you reach any kind of conclusion with respect to what is going to be the tax impact in your hands. So dividend distribution tax is abolished. If you're earning dividend in financial year 2021, it will be taxable in your hands.